Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today we're going to play with altered AI. So let's get cracking. So the first step, of course, is to visit the website altered.ai, and then you can sign in. Of course, start here if you don't have your free account yet. Once you get to this page, of course, fill out your information, and then you can click that button to submit your trial. Of course, I've already done that, so let me show you where I'm at. So real quickly, if we hit start creating and we check out morphing, when we hit this button, we have to download it. I'll check in on that in a bit. Right now, let's see what happens if we hit the morphing. This one works totally online. So we are going to do a test of the voice morphing. So of course, the first thing is to click record, enable your microphone, and now let's see how this works. So I'm going to say my standard tagline. Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking. That is me with my standard microphone. Now, if we move over here, we've got an AI voice cleaner. Notice that uses up a few of my tokens. I'm going to say fine, and I'm going to stick with Austin. Let's see how this turns out. About 60 seconds later, 100% complete. Let's do a test.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking.
All right, so that was absolutely awesome. I kind of prefer me because I am me, but doggone it, that was pretty wild. If we slip over here to Christopher, English-speaking, standard, British, deep gravitas. So at the moment, this shows 0 cost. Let's see if that actually works. That would be really awesome if your credits to get the first part made it faster to do the second. You can see it actually morphed and did that unbelievably fast. So let's check out Christopher.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking.
Once again, really awesome. I love how it adjusts me, but it still sounds realistic. Let's try Drake. This will make me African North American. It'll be strong and cool. Who doesn't want to be that? Once again, generate, and just like that is completed. And here we are.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking.
I am not sure I believe that one at all, but it was pretty darn cool. Of course, we could adjust them here if we wanted. I'm going to try one more. This is going to cut me down in age to 30 or 40, and it's going to be East London, British, gravel, and gruff. Of course, let's hit generate and see what we made.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking.
Once again, fun. I think of all of these, the one I'd be more likely to play with is the one from Christopher. It is awesome that for the same quota of points, we got to test them all. I will also let you know that if you hit plus, there are tons of voices available. You can also search the library and put in filters, which I think is pretty darn awesome. Let's check out another tool by going text to speech. So as you can see, I have typed in my phrase. We have got Austin here. So this one is going to cost a few more tokens. That is good to note. I am going to click on generate and let's see what we get. That uploaded super quick, and when we hit play.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for a fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking.
I don't know how often I would use that, but it is pretty fun and it does sound totally realistic, even though it doesn't quite say my name the way I want. I'm guessing if you mod the spelling, you could actually get it to sound the exact way you want. Let's real quickly switch over to something I want to do aggressive, slightly louder, and I'm going to speed up the tempo just a tiny bit. Let's hit generate. Once again, this does cost me more tokens.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for a fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking.
Just noticing right here that if we switch to a different one, it does still cost us the 98 tokens each time we do it. Let's see what I sound like as Ava. Super quick upload. Let's hit play.
Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for a fantastic tutorial, so let's get cracking.
All right, so enough of that. Let's see what else if we switch over here to voice cloning. Real quickly looking at those terms, there are a boatload of them. You can read through them all at your leisure. It is mainly telling you with this content part that we have to be careful and only use material that we have the rights to. So let's back up, and then we would add little pieces of our voice. Now notice it says it wants us to use 4 to 8 second chunks. I really don't think I have any need to make a fake HLModTech since I do all my own voices, but it is interesting to know that this is available. The next one that we're going to click is the editor. Let's load a project from my file system I started in my downloads. It was a cardboard shelf project. Note this file is too large. I'm going to just see what happens if we hit OK. So as I look at this, it looks like maybe the full 13 minutes did land in the editor. We can see here that it detects the voice. Let's see what happens if we hit transcribe. While I'm waiting for that to happen, let's see what happens if we hit play. Of course, friends, the first step is to hit create new design. And when it loads, let's call it tiny bookshelf. All right, so that video was created when I had a fan in my classroom. It was behind me. It was so hot I did not have a choice, but it's annoying because it's all the way through. So if we go through our effects, check it out. We've got an AI denoiser. Let's see just what this can do. I'm going to just select a small area, and I'm going to hit AI denoiser. Notice I'm going to use 300 tokens. I'm going to say fine, and let's compute it. Once again, it uploads to the server. Now it's computing on the server, and here it is downloading. And let's see what happens if we hit play. Is whose. The next step, friends, is I want you to hit edit grid, and we have to backspace and make this 480 and 240 so they fit our Glowforge bed. That is pretty insane. So once again, if we click outside that area and hit play, 88. Now the reason we're doing 88 is because we're going to add tabs. That nasty fan is totally in the background. The part that we just rebuilt using AI. Let's hit play one more time and see if that's stuck or if I canceled it. Call it tiny bookshelf. And let's add our initials so that way it's easy to tell. That background fan is almost all gone. That is fantastic. All right, everybody, so I got to tell you, I'm pretty excited about this. I don't know if I have enough tokens to finish it. I will explore that, but let's just wrap up what we learned. Voice cloning was really not on my list. Text-to-speech has potential, not something I need. Morphing was a ton of fun. And in the voice editor, we had a moment to check out transcribing. Of course, we imported the video, and I went straight to cleaning because that's what I needed the most. Perhaps in a future video, I'll try the voice dubbing and adding the effects. Friends, of course, before we dive in, let's take a look at potential pricing. Right now, we are playing with free, so we've got an attribution license. We get 1 real-time voice, 5 minutes a month of real-time voices, 3 minutes per month of voice morphing, and of course 10,000 AI tokens. There are plans for every level of creator. Of course, they do let you try them all for free. Real quickly as we zip down, all plans include voices, voice AI, voice cloning, voice editing, and dubbing tools. And also make sure you check out the slick comparison of plans, and finally, frequently asked questions. Friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about Altered AI, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, don't forget you absolutely make my day if you leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.